Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, we are going to learn how to use hooks in Cucumber using Java. Let's start by looking at the test directory structure. Under the Java folder, I have a Hello Cucumber package with bunch of Java classes, and under the resources folder, I have a Hello Cucumber package with one feature file. Now let's look at the feature file. On line 2, I'm defining the feature, and on line 3, I have a description of the feature. On line 6, I'm defining the scenario outline with 3 steps: given, when, and then. On line 11, I'm defining 3 examples with their expected output. Now let's look at the step definitions class. On line 64, I'm defining the @given step. On line 70, I'm defining the @when step, and on line 76, I'm defining the @then step. Next, to execute this test, right-click on the feature file and hit Run. As you can see, all 3 scenarios and 9 steps passed as expected. Now, let's look at the @before hook in the step definitions file. Before hooks run before the first step of each scenario, and whatever happens in a before hook is invisible to people who only read the feature files. Therefore, you should only use a before hook for low-level logic, such as starting a browser or deleting data from a database. If I re-execute the feature file, you'll see the executing low-level logic line before the first step of each scenario. Similarly, after hooks run after the last step of each scenario. Now let's talk about step hooks. Step hooks are invoked before and after a step. If a before step hook is executed, then the after step hook will also be executed, regardless of the result of the step. Next, let's look at conditional hooks. Hooks can be conditionally selected for execution based on the tags of the scenario. Here I have a conditional after hook based on the @smoke tag. Finally, there are global hooks such as @before_all, which will run before any scenario is run, and @after_all, which will run after all scenarios have been executed. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.